Hey guys, just got my package here with my hatch covers and auger extension also. So try to show you opening this. Packaged by Cabela's, and they do a pretty good packing job. I've never had problems ordering from them. I've done it all the time. So here's the 18-inch extension. It's going to be handy for the shack since it's up in the air. That's why I got it. There's the catch covers. I just noticed they're square inserts. I'm going to have to cut them, the holes more. It's no big deal. So yeah, see about installing these. I got my holes recut. Now I'm going to go ahead and install these. Well, got the catch covers installed. There's one open. There's one closed. Look pretty good. They're tough. Couple, like 250 pounds on here. Yeah, pretty much wraps it up for in here. So, see you on the ice. Final touch, just put on my shack numbers. Had them on before, they're just on a piece of cardboard in the window. So yeah, thanks for watching the series, guys. I like how the shack turned out, and hopefully you subscribe, and thanks for watching.